This is just a really quick shot of the knife. I've had a lot of emails that this knife's going to drop. They wanted to see the texture of the scales to decide if they want to buy it. So I'll probably do another video the next 24 hours with this knife and the KnifeWorks Para 3 together. And I'll put it in the places that it hasn't dropped yet. The texture definitely is grippier than your standard Spyderco knife, but not quite up to, a cold steel. Spyderco Sprint Run S45VN, the diamond arc texture, green scales.